Hey guys, Meredith with Extreme Terrain, and today we are checking out the Red Rock Easy Fold Pet Ramp, fitting all year and model Wranglers. Now, just like you may need side steps for your Wrangler, your pet may also need a bit of help to get in, and this ramp will be a fantastic solution for them. And the best part about this is that if you travel a lot with your pup, take them on adventures with you, or just go to the park, this is super easy to fold out of the way and store away if you want a ramp that's going to tuck neatly into the back of your Jeep and not be a hassle when it comes time to use it. Now this will feature a roughly 60-inch long design, so even if your Wrangler is lifted, this will provide you enough length to make it easy for your dog to get in. Now the ramp also has little ridges on the surface and higher edges on the sides to provide some traction, which will be helpful for muddy or wet paws, and the edges will provide a clear path for them of where they need to go. Now my favorite part about this is the fact that this has a little handle in the middle. You just pull up and it'll fold in on itself. It's also going to click in and secure with two little hooks here on the side, but it's going to be super compact for what it is to store in the back of your Jeep. Now the dimensions of this when it's all folded up is 10 inches wide, 16 inches tall, and 15.5 inches deep. If you are concerned about the space that this is going to take up, it's not going to be a lot. This will be made of a thick ABS plastic construction, which is just a very tough plastic material, and this thickness is perfect for this kind of application. Now, it will be able to bear the weight of your dog and resist any damage from their nails or anything else, even if they're chewing on it, to hold up for years to come. Now, the ABS is also very light, so it won't be tough on your back, hard to throw in the back of your Wrangler, or really add any weight to your build, which is perfect with this kind of mod. Now this will be pretty average as far as price goes for a pet ramp at roughly $100. Now what I really like about this option is that this is going to be super lightweight again. It's going to be really easy to fold. It's going to be tough enough to support your dog and hold up to really anything or anywhere you take it, and it's not going to take up a lot of room in the back of your Jeep. Now those are a lot of big benefits, and compared to other options, I think with all of those features that this is going to be well worth the investment for a happier pup. Now those are a ton of benefits packed into such a simple mod, but compared to others, I think that with all of those features that this is going to be well worth the investment for a happy pup when it comes time to hop into the Jeep. Install isn't really an install. If I could give it a 0 out of 3 wrenches, I would, but this will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it's going to take you about a minute to fold it out and get it ready, and it's probably going to take you about a minute to fold it up as well. Now with that being said, one of our customers here has this and is going to walk you through how to use it and how to set it up. So that is going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and hop into it.
I'm here to show you how the Red Rock Easy Fold Pet Ramp works. I'll show you how to unfold it. It has a latch right here. You just go ahead and open the latch. Put one on this side. You gotta kind of push it like that to lock in place. Parts of the ramp that fold out. Make sure it's locked into place before you put it up. And then one side has these little edges, so this part is going to go onto the back of the Bronco. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fold it up. So you just take it down, fold these two in. I'm going to put some muscle into it. Fold it up. And latches. And then here's a picture of it in the back of the Bronco so you can kind of just see how it's size-wise. Yeah, there you go. Once again, this is the Red Rock Easy Fold Pet Ramp.
So that's gonna wrap it up for my review and the install or setup of this Red Rock Easy Fold pet ramp fitting all year and model Wranglers. And remember, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.